Ever had your stomach growl so loud it echoed in a quiet room? Yeah, here's what's actually going on. That sound is called Borborygmi. Yeah, it even sounds weird. It's caused by muscles in your stomach and intestines contracting. They're pushing food, gas, and fluids through your digestive system, like a gurgling conveyor belt. It usually happens when you're hungry, because your gut's cleaning itself out and prepping for the next meal. But here's the twist. It also happens after you eat. Your body just gets louder when it's moving stuff around. And the louder it is, usually the emptier your stomach is. More space equals more echo. So it's less feed me and more echo chamber in progress. So next time your stomach sings in public, just say you're full of science. Hit like and subscribe for more gut level knowledge. Only on Knowledge Minute.